Hello guys, so this is my Interceptor 650 and these are some other bikes which I have. So today what I'm thinking is to put fog lights on this bike, and so I was just figuring out. So if you guys know, there's a small 10 amp auxiliary plug inside the headlight, to which I've connected this. So I'll be taking power from this one only for my two LED fog lights, which I'll be placing them here. I'll show you how I'm doing it. I got this switch from Unomunda for about 70 or 80 rupees. So this wire is this long. So you need one of these, and then you should decide on where you want to mount. So that's there. You'll have to open this headlight. So have your screwdrivers and pliers and everything ready. So this is my windscreen. The windscreen is, I'll put it back later. So I have mounted this LED onto these holes on the side. These holes, so this is the placement that they're gonna be. So this wire, I'll be putting it inside these two holes. They'll come out. So this yellow is the auxiliary plug. So I had connected this wire which goes to my charger. So I'll be connecting these both to this, and I'll be connecting a switch in between. So this is the auxiliary plug, and then this is the positive, the yellow. It's connected to the switch. From the switch, it is connected to the positive of the LEDs, and the negative of the LEDs is connected again over here. So that's what the wiring is. I'll put the picture so you can observe it. So this auxiliary plug only switches on once you have the ignition on. So like I switch on the bike, and then if I switch on, it will not turn on until I press the ignition. Once that is on, and see, they work. Too bright. So and then when you switch off the bike, turn off with it. That's the best part about this. I always recommend you to use the auxiliary plug and not cut into the wiring harness of the bike.